Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss important questions from chapter tissue. So first is name the muscular tissue whose cells are spindle shaped and uninucleated. So first question is name the muscular tissue whose cells are spindle shaped and uninucleated. Yes, Raghav.
The muscle cells with the muscle cells, muscular tissue whose cells are spindle shaped and uninucleated are smooth muscle cells.
Are smooth muscles. Next is name the animal tissue which acts as heat insulator.
Animal tissue which acts as heat insulator is adipose tissue.
Is
Adipose tissue.
adipose tissue. Name the tissue which is present in veins of leaves.
The tissue which is present in the veins of leaves is sclerenchyma.
Is sclerenchyma. Veins of leaves में कौन सा टिश्यू प्रेजेंट होता है?
Sclerenchyma.
Very good बच्चे. Next student. The dividing cells at the tip of root and stem are known as.
The dividing cells at the tip of root and stem are known as apical meristem tissues.
Dividing cells at the tip of root and stems are known as
Apical
meristematic tissue. Name the tissue which allows aquatic plants to float.
Name the tissue which allows aquatic plants to float, and the answer is parenchyma and erenchyma.
Parenchyma. Name the two types of complex tissue.
The two types of complex tissue, xylem and phloem.
Two type of complex tissue are. Yes, next student. Name connective tissue which has a hard matrix.
The connective tissue which has hard matrix is of bones. That is
Answer is
bone.
bone. Very good. Next. What are the two basic components of a connective tissue? Two basic components of connective tissue.
Two basic components of a connective tissue are matrix and
Matrix and cells. Two basic components of connective tissues are matrix and cells. Next read कीजिए बेटा.
name the tissue that smoothens bone surface at joints. The tissue that smoothens bone surface at joints is cartilage.
Answer is cartilage. Next student. Name the muscular tissue which is present in the iris of eyes and what is the shape of these cells?
Name the muscular tissue which is present in the iris of eyes. What is the shape of these cells? Ma'am, striated muscles. Striated muscles.
No. Striated muscles, skeletal muscles with the limbs में present होते हैं. Yes, answer is unstriated muscles, or you can say smooth muscles. What is the shape of these muscles?
These muscles are multinucleated and
What is the shape of these cells? Shape. Spindle shape. Okay. Next, correlate the first pair of the word given below. Correlate the first pair of the words given below and accordingly write the suitable word in the second pair. अब देखिए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में क्या लिखा है, हार्ट एंड कार्डियक मसल्स. आपने क्या लिखा है, कार्डियक मसल्स. और उसके बाद क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे,
Dash.
डैश एंड स्मूथ मसल्स. ठीक है, अब आपको पता है कि कार्डियक मसल्स कहाँ प्रेजेंट है, हार्ट में, और स्मूथ मसल्स कहाँ प्रेजेंट है, उसकी लोकेशन बता देंगे. ठीक है, कहाँ प्रेजेंट है बच्चे ये, यस,
Smooth muscles are present in iris and
आइरिस ऑफ.
iris of eyes.
नेक्स्ट लिखा है टिश्यू रिपेयर, टिश्यू रिपेयर, और साथ में क्या लिखा है, एरोडक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट इंसुलेशन, मतलब पहले हमने क्या लिखा, फंक्शन, फिर क्या लिखा, टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू. टिश्यू रिपेयर कौन करता है, एरोलर्स, और इंसुलेशन
Adipose.
एडिपोज. थर्ड टाइप स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम, साथ में क्या लिखा है, प्रोटेक्शन, मींस स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम क्या कर रहा है, प्रोटेक्शन. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हमने फिर फंक्शन लिखा, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड सेक्रीशन. अब एब्जॉर्प्शन और सेक्रीशन कौन सा एपिथेलियम करता है, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड सेक्रीशन.
Ciliated.
साक्षी ठाकुर. स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम, प्रोटेक्शन, देन ब्लैंक है, उसके बाद पूछा एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड सेक्रीशन.
And the answer is columnar.
कॉलमनार एपिथेलियम. ओके जी, वेरी गुड बच्चे. इसका आंसर सबको क्लियर है. So next is why skeletal muscles known as striated muscles? Why are skeletal muscles known as striated muscle? Skeletal muscles known as striated muscles. Yes, Gurleen call.
Skeletal muscles are known as striated muscles because these muscles show alternative light and dark bands or striations when stayed appropriately.
अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप आपको क्या पता चलता है, इसमें लाइट एंड डार्क बैंड, इसीलिए स्केलेटल मसल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्ट्रेटेड मसल्स. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टिश्यू प्रेजेंट इन किडनी ट्यूब्यूल्स. किडनी ट्यूब्यूल्स में कौन सा टिश्यू प्रेजेंट होता है और उसका फंक्शन क्या है. यस गुरलीन कौर. नेम द टिश्यू प्रेजेंट इन किडनी ट्यूब्यूल्स एंड व्हाट इट्स फंक्शन. In kidney tubules,
The tissue present in kidney tubules is epithelial tissue.
टाइप बताइए एपिथेलियल की. यस प्रथम.
Cuboidal tissue is present in the kidney tubules.
Function of that tissue.
Function is absorption.
Function is, yes. Next student. Tissue present in kidney tubules and its function.
The tissue present in kidney tubules is cuboidal epithelium tissue, and its function is that it provides mechanical strength.
Okay जी. Next. Read कीजिए.
How is stratified squamous epithelial tissue different from squamous epithelial tissue?
Answer is given on the page number 74. First paragraph, right hand side pe. The simple squamous epithelial cells are
Extremely thin and flat and form a delicate lining. The esophagus and the lining of mouth also covered with squamous epithelium. The skin which protects the body is also made up of squamous epithelium. Skin epithelial tissues are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear. Since they are arranged in patterns of layers, the epithelial cell is called stratified squamous epithelium.
Right, Ji? Then the next is
Determine
Ji.
Determine the location of following tissues. First, unstraighted muscle fiber.
आपने लोकेशन बतानी है अनस्टेटेड मसल फाइबर्स की. सेकंड क्यूबोइडल एपिथेलियम. थर्ड एडिपोस एंड फोर्थ स्ट्रेटेड मसल फाइबर्स. बस बताइए लोकेशन ऑफ अनस्टेटेड मसल फाइबर.
Unstraighted muscles are also called as smooth muscles. The
स्मूथ मसल
location,
फाइबर इसकी लोकेशन बेटा.
location is in iris of eyes.
हाँ जी. और किसी को ऐड करना है? यस रिद्या.
They are present in the iris of the eye and ureters.
Okay. And what about cuboidal epithelium?
Cuboidal epithelium is present in the kidney tubules.
Okay. Adipose tissue
Is under the skin. It forms a layer under the skin.
and striated muscle fiber जिसको आप skeletal muscles भी बोलते हो, कहाँ present होते
Ma'am,
हैं?
around the
Limbs. In the limbs. Very good बेटा. Next, students, I've seen. What are the function of guard cells of stomata in the leaf?
Guard cells of stomata in the leaf help in the transpiration, and they are also responsible for the exchange of gases with the atmosphere.
Very good. Next answer भी आप ही बताएंगे बच्चे. Why connective tissue called so?
Connective tissue is called what it's named because it connects various organs to each other.
It connects the different parts of body. That's why connective tissue. What is the function of areolar connective tissue? Function of areolar connective tissue.
Areolar connective tissue helps in the repair of tissues and it supports the organs.
Answer on page number 75, right hand side. Areolar connective tissue. It fills the space inside the organs. आगे क्या लिखा बेटा?
It supports the internal organs
And
helps in the repair of tissues.
helps in the repair of tissues. Very good. Next student. Riju. Read कीजिए बेटा next question.
Mention the role of epidermis in the following. A, in the aerial parts of the plants. B, in leaves. C, in roots. The answer is B, in leaves.
Believe 3. Mention the roles of epidermis. अपने epidermis का role बताना है in the aerial parts of plants में, leaves में और roots में. 3 parts हैं इसके. Answer is given on the page number. Answer on page number 71 and 72. ठीक है, आपने पहले कहाँ पे लिखना एरियल पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स के बारे में, देन लीव्स, देन इन रूट्स. रीड कौन करेगा बुक से? ये संशिका आप आ जाइए. अच्छा, टॉपिक क्या है? एपिडर्मिस. अच्छा, पहले आप लिखेंगे इन द एरियल पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट के बारे में, फिर इन लीव्स में और फिर रूट्स में.
The epidermis cell on the aerial parts of plants secrete a waxy water-resistant layer on their outer surface. This aids in protection against the loss of water, mechanical injury, and invasion by parasitic fungi.
लीव्स में yes, in leaves. Yes, student. Yes, beta. आप रीड कर दीजिए.
On the epidermis of the leaves, we can observe the small pores, and these pores are called stomata. They are enclosed by 2 kidney T-shaped cells known as guard cells, which help in exchanging gases in the atmosphere, and transpiration also occurs through the stomata.
And in roots,
Epidermal cells of the roots is function is water absorption, commonly bear long hair-like parts that greatly increase the total absorptive surface area.
Jay Thapar ji. Yes, read कीजिए बेटा next question.
Identify tissue present in following and write one specific feature. Leaf stalks below epidermis.
Tissue present in leaf stalk below epidermis. Identify the tissue present in and write the one specific feature. First हमने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, first है leaf stalk below epidermis, second in stem around vascular bundle, third at the root and shoot tips. Tissue present in leaf stalk below epidermis. और अब उसके बाद आपने इसका स्पेसिफिक फीचर भी बताना है. Yes, collenchyma. Answer is collenchyma. और उसका स्पेसिफिक फीचर क्या? It provides flexibility to plant. Next है in the stem around the vascular bundles. Sclerenchyma वाले पैराग्राफ में देख लीजिए, आपको लाइन मिल जाएगी. So this tissue is present in, और उसका फीचर क्या है?
It provides
And the tissue at the root and shoot tip,
meristematic tissue.
meristematic tissue. उसका स्पेसिफिक फीचर क्या है? Growth, dividing cells and growth. Next read कीजिए बेटा.
Give reasons for the following. Bark of
Give reason. First आपने बताना है bark of a tree is impervious to gases and water. Second,
in desert plants, epidermis has a thick waxy coating.
third,
Epidermal cells of the roots generally have hair-like parts. Bark of a tree is impervious to gases and water due to a chemical substance called suberin.
very good.
In desert plants, epidermis has a thick waxy coating to reduce the water loss due to transpiration to conserve water.
Third,
Epidermal cells of the roots generally have hair-like parts to absorb water from the soil.
next turn. Next turn. मनकीरत कौर. मनकीरत कौर. Differentiate between bone and cartilage. Differentiate between bone and cartilage with respect to structure, function and location. Yes, पहले आपने डिफरेंस किसके बेस पे लिखना? स्ट्रक्चर के बेस पे, देन फंक्शन, देन लोकेशन. फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर के बेस पे. Yes, मनकीरत.
Bone, it is a strong and non-flexible tissue
Bone, it is strong and non-flexible tissue
whose cells are embedded in a hard matrix which is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds.
ये होगी स्ट्रक्चर किसकी? बोन की. कार्टिलेज.
It is soft and flexible tissue whose solid matrix is composed of proteins and sugar. Also, it has widely spaced cells.
नेक्स्ट आपने पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस किसके बेस पे लिखना है? फंक्शन.
Bone. It forms the framework that supports the body and anchors the muscles that supports the main organs of the body.
और कार्टिलेज का क्या फंक्शन होता है?
It smoothens bone surfaces at joints.
आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक्स में सारे पॉइंट्स हैं ये. यस. नेक्स्ट लोकेशन.
Bone. It is present in skeletal system.
कार्टिलेज कहाँ प्रेजेंट है?
It is present in nose, ear, trachea, and larynx.
क्लियर जी. नेक्स्ट जयदीप सिंह बेदी. What are the differences between ligament and tendon? Write 3 points of differences between ligaments and tendons. First, ligament.
Ligaments connect the two bones
tendons connect the
Connective tissue that connects bones to bone is a ligament, and bones to muscles, tendon. Next point of difference.
This tissue is very elastic with considerable strength. Tendons. This tissue has a great strength.
Great strength and limited flexibility. Third point of difference.
Ligaments contain very little matrix.
Tendon.
Tendons contain more matrix as
Compared to.
ligaments.
Okay, good. Next, Sahaji. लेबल द एक डायग्राम गिवन है आपको और उसमें आपको ए और बी पार्ट बताना है, कौन से उनका फंक्शन बताना. दिस इज अ मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू. ए बी सी डी, सॉरी ए बी सी लेबल कीजिए क्या है. एक एपिकल है, एक लेटरल मेरिस्टेम है और एक क्या है इंटरकैलर. उसके बाद उनके क्या बताने हैं आपने, एक एक फंक्शन. क्लियर. इस तरह से आपको डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं कि आपसे लेबलिंग पूछी जा सकती है और साथ में उनके क्या बताने हैं अपने फंक्शन. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो द फंक्शन ऑफ एपिकल. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एपिकल मेरिस्टेम? वन स्टूडेंट, यस प्रथम कुमार. What is the function of apical meristem?
Apical meristem increase the height of the plant.
And the next is lateral ka.
Lateral meristem increase the girth of the plant.
Okay, very good. Next student. Yuvraj Singh. Yes. Identify the simple permanent plant tissue with given descriptions and also mention their location in the plant body. Read कीजिए बेटा. Identify the simple permanent plant tissue with given descriptions and also mention their location in the plant body. First, cells have irregular wall thickening. Anji. Second, tissue with large intercellular spaces and cells having large air cavities. Third, cells are long, narrow, and dead in nature. सबसे पहले बताइए, cells have irregular wall thickening. Yes. राजन सर नहीं पता आपको? यस. अच्छा ये बेटा आप उधर. आंसर ऑफ ए पार्ट. The cells have irregular wall thickening.
The answer is parenchyma.
Okay. The tissue with large intercellular space and large air cavities.
Parenchyma.
Parenchyma. Cells are long, narrow, and dead in nature.
Sclerenchyma.
Sclerenchyma. Very good. Next. Yes, Yuvraj, answer दीजिए.
Name the kinds of muscle found in your limbs and lungs. How do they differ from each other structurally and functionally?
Name the kinds of muscles found in your limbs and lungs. Limbs में कौन से muscles होते हैं, lungs में कौन से muscles होते हैं, अपने name बताना है. Then how do they differ from each other structurally and functionally?
Limbs have connective tissues.
Limbs connective tissue, kind of muscles. Yeah, muscles presence in limbs.
Skeletal muscles.
Skeletal muscle, very good. और lungs में
Smooth muscles.
smooth muscles, very good. Limbs में कौन सी present है?
Skeletal muscle,
लंग्स में
smooth
स्मूथ।
muscle.
अब आपने इसके बाद क्या लिखना है, डिफरेंसेस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन। ये स्ट्रक्चर के बेस पे डिफरेंस बताइए।
Skeletal muscles are unbranched, multinucleated,
Cylindrical.
cylindrical, and long and straight. And
Smooth muscles?
muscles, they are spindle shaped, uninucleated, unbranched, and long.
फंक्शन,
Skeletal muscles are the function of skeletal muscles is movement of limbs and
वॉलेंट्री और इनवॉलेंट्री।
voluntary.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट दैट स्मूथ मसल्स?
The function of smooth muscles is involuntary. They work on their own without talking.
नेक्स्ट आंसर, रीड कीजिए बेटा पहले।
Name the tissue found in the following locations: Haversian canals, chondrocytes, eosinophils.
यस, नेम द टिश्यू फाउंड इन द गिवन लोकेशंस। फर्स्ट क्या लिखा बच्चे?
Haversian canals.
पेज नंबर 75 पे फिगर 6.10, पेज नंबर 75 फिगर 6.10। बोन की फिगर में देखिए एक वर्ड लिखा हुआ है, कंटेन ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व फाइबर्स। क्या लिखा है साथ में?
Haversian canals.
हाँ जी, फिर इसका आंसर क्या होगा? बोन।
Bone.
नेक्स्ट क्या लिखा? कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स, कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स इन
Cartilage.
कार्टिलेज। साथ में उसके बने हुए कार्टिलेज की फिगर भी उसमें लिखा कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स। तो आंसर क्या होगा इसका?
Cartilage.
कार्टिलेज। नेक्स्ट,
Eosinophil.
हाँ जी, टॉप पे देखिए ब्लड की स्ट्रक्चर बनी हुई है। टॉप पे देखिए फिगर 6.10 में ए पार्ट, कौन सा टिश्यू है ये? ब्लड। फर्स्ट आंसर,
Bone.
सेकेंड,
Cartilage.
थर्ड, ओके जी। द नेक्स्ट आर रीड कीजिए बेटा पहले। एक्सप्लेन द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ,
Explain the significance of the following. Hair-like structure on epidermal cells. Epidermis has a thick waxy coating of cutin in desert plants. Small pores in epidermis of leaf. Numerous layers of epidermis in cactus. Presence of a chemical suberin in fox cells.
एक्सप्लेन द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ। फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर कौन करेगा? यस, प्रथम।
Hair-like structures on
एपिडर्मल सेल्स।
hair-like structures grow on epidermal cells. It helps in absorption.
नेक्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर आप कर दीजिए। एपिडर्मिस हैज थिक वैक्सी कोटिंग।
Epidermis has a thick waxy coating of cutin in desert plants to reduce the water loss due to transpiration.
नेक्स्ट पार्ट, स्मॉल पोर्स इन एपिडर्मिस ऑफ लीफ
Helps in transpiration
एंड,
and exchange of gases.
ओके। देन नेक्स्ट डी पार्ट,
Numerous layers of epidermis in cactus reduce the water loss due to transpiration.
नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंस ऑफ सुब्रिन इन,
Exchange of gases.
Them helping it to harden the fox.
नो,
Make the fox cells impervious to gases and water.
सागरिका। नेक्स्ट टर्न बेटे आपकी आ जाइए। Yes. Read कीजिए बेटा.
Identify the following tissue, the epithelial tissue. Identify the following tissue, the epithelial tissue, which has pillar-like tall cells. Squamous epithelium.
Squamous epithelium, no. Epithelial tissue which has a pillar-like cells.
Columnar epithelial tissue.
Yes. Next is the cells of the tissue are filled with fat globules.
Adipose tissue.
The movement of this tissue pushes the mucus forward to clear respiratory tract. Ciliated epithelium. Next, read कीजिए बेटा.
It gives buoyancy to lotus to help it afloat.
Parenchyma.
Parenchyma. Next is
This tissue is present in lung alveoli.